I can't wait until mankind sees my new car. My truck, actually. I'm gonna go wait in it. Chaz, I don't know why you sounded so... Hold on. Let me try to get my tags on my face. I don't have a song for this. Bro, this is so cool. Is that water? That's weird. Come on in, buddy. I'll open the door after I get my water. Fuck. It's that tight in here. Cameraman can help. Yeah. Just push. There it goes. Come on in, buddy. Camera so low. Whoa, bro, this is cool. Let me close this correctly. Damn it. There it goes. Anyways. Bro, you finally got a truck! Sorry, I almost fell. You finally got a truck, bro! Yep. Can we drive it? No. I ran out of gas trying to get over here. But, hey, door's locked, right? Speaking of which, should we? Yeah, why not? This shouldn't bite us in the ass later. Foreshadowing. You're probably right. Whoa! I'm slightly retarded. Slightly retarded. Can we go get some water? Sure. Shit. Oh, bro. Hold on. Maybe mine works. Oh, fuck. What are we gonna do? I don't know. You said we could trust it. Yeah, I thought it wasn't gonna be me on the ass. Well, maybe next time, don't foreshadow it. Oh, yeah. I will get out of this car one way or another. Dumbass. Well, at least we have water. Right? Right? Yeah, I guess you're right. Plus, we can still have fun. Like, ooh, look at me, I'm driving. Yeah, wait, the back window. Hold on. Oh, man, we can squeeze through. Damn it. Well, it didn't work. But on the plus side, now it's not as hot in here. It's still really hot. That says a lot, because I'm literally fire. Yeah, I was about to say that. Wait, did I repeat myself again? Okay, did I repeat myself? Are you okay? You're kind of just standing there? Probably thinks I'm fucking stupid. I'm just standing here. Oh, I gotta think of something to say. Well, on the plus side, at least it's cooler in here. Is this guy fucking retarded? Let me guess. He probably had one of those blank stare moments. I might ask him. Hey, did you have one of those blank stare moments? Yeah. Me too. Driver's side is so much cooler. Hold on, let me bring down the steering wheel so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Steering wheel. Yeah, but driver's side seems so much cooler. Agreed. Maybe it's working now. Damn. Man, you got fucking ripped off. 186 1,000 miles on the truck engine already. What? I like GMCs. Plus, GMCs could go forever. You know a GMC is barely breaking by 500,000 miles. First of all, that's Toyota, not GMC. Second of all, that's a myth. People just say that so that they could sell really shitty used cars. Hey, you get what you buy. I paid $400 for it. God damn, does this thing even brake? Well, the guy said it only has one brake in the front, on that side. But it still brakes, still stops. Does this thing still start? It has gas. Can I try to start it? Sure. Okay, let's try to start this. So, brake. Yeah, it turns on. Yeah, it does that when you try to turn it on and you fail. Well, on the plus side, it turns on. Well, at least it turns on. That's always a plus. How long does it take for it to turn back off? Sometimes like 2 minutes. It takes a second to realize that you're not even trying to drive it. You're almost out of gas, by the way. Wait, almost. Let me see. See, you're almost. Oh, you are out of gas. Yeah, if it's under that half line, then it's definitely out of gas. Whoa. Oh, my engine's still on? Oh no, that means the engine's still on. Wait, what? Huh. Fuck, the engine's still on. I'm fucking retarded. That's all I had to do was just twist the key. Oh, let me make sure it's still on. Wait. We weren't recording. Oh, let me do that again. I know it's supposed to be colder in here and all, but like, let me out. It's so hot. Yeah, pretty cold. Well, I'm gonna leave. Wait, what? Yeah, I'm gonna leave. Wait, how are you gonna leave? By opening the window more, you fucking retard. Oh. How are you gonna get back in your truck? I'll just crawl in. Speaking of which, I'm just gonna close these real quick. Well, on the plus side, I know it'd be like to be stuck in an old truck. Me too. Want to do it again? Fuck yeah.